Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to update Commonwealth mobile banking application. For that, first of all, you have to launch App Store on your device. Once the App Store is open, at the bottom right corner, you will see searching icon. Tap on it. Then, on the searching bar, search for Commonwealth. Now, find the app labeled with CommBank, which is Commonwealth Bank of Australia, and go through it. Here, if you see Update button instead of Open, that means your application needs to get updated. Simply tap on that Update button. Then after a few minutes, your application will be updated to the latest version. In my case, as you can see, there is Open button. That means I am using the latest version of Commonwealth Bank of Australia. Once you get the Open button, simply tap on it to launch your application. In this way, you can update this application. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.